Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, we are going to whip up an extremely delicious Christmas meal comprising of a filet basa that's pan-seared and is served with an orange and lemon glaze that's flavored with fresh dill and mixed herbs. It is definitely going to be a dream come true for all fish lovers like me. Let me know if you're also a fish lover just like me. Please post me your valuable comments on my YouTube comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this recipe and hit the bell button in case you want the latest updates of my channel. Thank you so much for watching and let's get cooking.
For this recipe, we'll need 2 fillets of basa, which is also called as barramundi in India. You may also use a fillet of ravas or Indian salmon, Pacific or Atlantic salmon, tilapia, or even a fillet of halibut. It is advisable to have a thin fillet so that it absorbs the flavors evenly and cooks evenly. The fish marination, we need Himalayan pink salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of either red paprika or red chili powder. For the sauce, we'll need 1 inch of ginger, 6 to 7 pods of garlic, juice of 1 lemon, a slurry made with 1 teaspoon of corn flour that's mixed with 2 teaspoons of water, freshly squeezed juice of 3 oranges, half an orange cut into slices, handful of fresh dill leaves, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 15 grams of butter, and salt and pepper to taste. To begin with, rub the marinade of Himalayan pink salt, some crushed black pepper, and either paprika or red chili powder on the fish very well on both the sides and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. A thin fillet of fish ensures even cooking in the stipulated time and better absorption of all the flavors. Using thicker fillets of fish results in overcooking of the surfaces of the fish and thereby losing the nutrient quality and also the flavors of the dish. Squeeze the juice out of 3 oranges. Post marination period, heat some butter in a heated pan. It may appear like a lot of butter, but we are using this to cook the sauce as well. To smoking hot butter, add the marinated fillets. Fry them on a high flame for the first 1 minute, followed by a medium flame for the next 1 minute. If you are using this thin fillet, please do not cook more than 2 minutes on each side. After a total 4 minutes of frying the fish, set them aside. In the same pan, add some finely chopped garlic. Then add in grated ginger. Saute ginger and garlic for about 30 seconds on a medium flame. Now add in the mix of freshly squeezed orange and your lemon juice. I'm adding only a teaspoon of orange zest since I'm also going to cook this sauce along with some orange slices along with the peels that will give a beautiful aroma and flavor of the zest. For those who don't care about the bitterness coming in from the orange peel, kindly skip the peel while adding in the orange slices. Add in some fresh dill leaves, salt and pepper to taste, and also the slurry of corn flour that we made. Cook this only for a minute. Trust me friends, with the orange peel, this sauce becomes very therapeutic. Now put off the flame and then drizzle in some honey as per taste. Cooking honey beyond 40 degrees Celsius turns it into toxins and it becomes extremely difficult for the intestines to digest it. With the flame off, just place your fillets in the sauce so that they could absorb the flavors.
Let's do a taste test. Fish meal is something I just can't resist. Delicious. The fish is perfectly cooked because if you overcook it, you ruin the dish. It has all the flavors, the sweetness of oranges, the sourness of the orange and lemon, the sweetness coming from the honey, and a slight bitterness coming from the zest and the dill. But that's the way I love it. Delicious. Delicious. A heaven for protein lovers and fish lovers like me. Must try. Merry Christmas.